Misty-Eyed, Unraveling the Meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a poetic and emotive English phrase, misty-eyed. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and the situations where it's most commonly heard. Misty-eyed is a compound adjective made up of two words, misty and eyed. Let's look at them separately. Misty refers to something covered with, resembling, or suggestive of mist. Eyed, a suffix that indicates something is related to the eyes. So when combined, misty-eyed literally describes eyes that appear as though they are covered in mist. But there's more to it than the literal meaning. When someone says they are misty-eyed, they don't mean that their eyes are literally covered in mist. Instead, it's a figurative way to express a strong emotion. This phrase is often used to describe someone who has tears in their eyes, especially because of strong feelings like happiness, nostalgia, or even sadness. For example, if someone is watching a touching movie and they start to tear up, they might be described as getting misty-eyed. Let's see how this phrase can fit into various sentences. 1. The bride's touching vows made many guests misty-eyed. 2. Looking at old photos from our childhood always gets me a bit misty-eyed. 3. His emotional farewell speech left everyone misty-eyed. From these examples, we can infer that the phrase is versatile and can be used in a variety of situations where strong emotions are at play. There you have it. Now, you know what it means when someone says they are misty-eyed. English is full of such beautiful and descriptive phrases that capture emotions in unique ways. We hope this video has been helpful in adding another one to your vocabulary. Keep exploring, and we'll be back with more interesting phrases and words.